Hey everyone! So I'm going to be doing some reviews on some of my favorite bags that I use for traveling, and these are Lily and Drew bags. So I'll start off with the largest bag that I have by Lily and Drew, and this is the one. It's their Weekender. And this bag is 18 by 14 by 8, so it is the perfect size for a carry-on for a flight. Not a carry-on, but a personal item for a flight that you can use for free, like with Frontier Airlines or Spirit Airlines. So I'll just show you some of the features of this bag. So first of all, this is the leaf blue pattern, and I just think it's super cute. It has teal and like a navy blue and a magenta sprinkled in the background, so it's super cute. Alright. And here you can see the label, so it's Lily and Drew. So the first feature that I really like is this little pocket right in the front. It is just a slip pocket, and it's the perfect size for a cell phone. So this is a iPhone 7 Plus, and it has plenty of space for it, so any size cell phone should fit in here with no problems. It's also good for your passport, or your plane tickets, or just anything else you want easy access to. And then in the front, there's also this large zippered pocket. And it has two slip pockets right here. And just so you get a size on these, they definitely fit a cell phone. Another feature that's in the front pocket of this bag is the little tether that you can clip your keys onto, which I think is very handy. Because when you're going somewhere, especially by plane, I always like to put my keys somewhere so I remember where they are, because I've had that happen too many times where I get home from a trip where I've been away for a week or 2 weeks and I'm like, where did I put my keys again? So at least with this you know where they are, because this, you know, it's a dedicated spot for your keys and you shouldn't forget. So in here you could fit an iPad pretty easily, so that fits in there perfectly. Or a paperback book or something like that. Or even a hardcover book. Fits in there really well. Okay. And then if we flip it over to the back, it also has a very large zippered pocket. It goes the whole way. You could fit anything in here. But this also has a zipper on the bottom part, so you can close it if you want to just store stuff in there. Or you can open it if you want to use it as a trolley sleeve to put on your luggage. Okay, and the back compartment is padded for a laptop, and you could fit, I would think you could easily fit a 17-inch laptop in here. So this is my 13-inch laptop, and it fits with no problems. You can't even see it in there when it's in there. So I'm pretty sure a 15-inch would fit no problem, and even a 17-inch. And like I said, this is padded very well on both sides, so it'll protect your laptop. And then you could put extra stuff right in here, notepads, books, everything else you need for your laptop, power cords, mice, anything like that. And then the main compartment, it's actually pretty roomy, but it has one large zippered pocket here, so you can definitely organize your stuff in here. Two slip pockets that are kind of stretchy and mesh on the back side, and then on the front side there are 3 of those stretch mesh pockets. And then this area here, of course, you can put anything. So if you're using this, you could carry extra clothes or shoes or anything like that. And this does come with a bag, which I would consider like a shoe bag. So it's just kind of a nice little extra that this bag comes with. Then it does have side pockets on both sides, here and here, that I really love for storing like a water bottle. And just to show you what fits, so this is one of the, let's see, it's a 1,000 milliliter Camelback bottle, so it's pretty large, but I can fit this one in the side pocket very easily. So it has 2 little hand hold handles, I guess. And then it does have a shoulder strap that is adjustable and has this little padded part on there, so it's comfortable for you to wear. And if I just kind of show you the size on how it is on me. So it's very, very nice bag for weekend trips or for a personal item on a plane. So the next bag I'll show you is a little bit smaller kind of version of that bag, except it doesn't have a specific laptop area. And again, of course, I love the leaf blue pattern, so I had to get it in that color. And this one's a little less structured than the previous bag. The previous bag, it's kind of, how should I say it? It's really structured, so you can't just bend it and it stands up on its own. This one doesn't really have that, so it's a little less structured. But first of all, it has one large pocket right in the front that has a snap closure. And it is magnetic, so it snaps closed really easily, which is nice. And then it has a front pocket with a zip, and this pocket is pretty large. I mean, you can definitely fit a phone in there, even standing up tall. And of course in this one too, that pocket is larger. So let's test an iPad in this front pocket. So that works. And you can't really lay it sideways though. It looks like you could, but you can't get it inside there. But definitely a paperback book fits into these pockets with no problems. Okay, and if we look at the back, again we have a similar concept. This has a pocket here, and on the bottom you can zip the pocket closed if you want to store stuff in there, or you can zip it open and have it as a trolley sleeve for your luggage. And then on the inside it just has one large pocket, and very similar to the last bag, it has one zipper pocket. This one is not very big. If I kind of put my cell phone in there, you can see that it doesn't fit that way, but I can lay it down in there. And then it has 2 slip pockets on the back and 3 slip pockets on the front side. Okay, and you can kind of see how much room is in there. So it's good size for just carrying necessities that you want to have handy on the plane. And this bag also has side pockets. These ones have elastic on the top, so it's a little bit different than the last bag. This one I could probably, if I messed around with it for a while, I could probably fit this water bottle in the side pocket, but it's really difficult. It's easier just to go with a smaller water bottle. I don't know what size this one is, but it's much smaller if you kind of want to see the difference. It's probably about an inch, inch and a half smaller in diameter. But this smaller water bottle fits in the side pocket on the smaller bag. Really nice. This bag again has 2 handles on either side of the zipper, and then also a shoulder strap. And I'll just do the same thing so you can kind of see the size. So this would be easy to carry around even if it was full of stuff. And the third bag that I have from Lily and Drew is this cute, tiny little backpack. I was just looking for a smaller backpack. I didn't know really what size this one would be, and it's pretty small. So let me just hold up my 13-inch laptop. Like here's a paperback book, so that would easily fit inside of there. Now my iPad, this is just the standard size iPad. So my iPad, I can fit inside, but you can see it kind of squares out the rounded top here. But it does fit, and I can zip it shut. So that's about the largest piece of technology you could fit in here, is just like a standard size iPad. Alright, so some of the features of this mini backpack: it has the front little pocket. It's quite small. You can see my cell phone fits like halfway in there, and it doesn't fit lengthwise. So it's not very useful for that. Inside, first of all, I should say that the back is padded. So even if you had some, heavier things in here or things that were like lumpy, they're not going to hurt your back. because it has a cushion between you and the backpack. It does have this little pocket, so you could keep stuff organized that way. If I wanted to put my cell phone in there, that kind of keeps it organized back there, or my iPad or my book could easily fit in that pocket. It does have this little tether for clipping on your keys or anything else you wanted to clip on here, which I think comes in handy just to make sure your keys don't fall out or something like that when you're opening your bag. And then on the front, it has another little zip pocket. It goes pretty much down to the bottom of the bag, but still it's not very large. So if I put my cell phone in there, you can see it doesn't even fit. Okay. Then the back of the bag, so this would be kind of a hidden pocket if you're wearing the bag because it would be towards your back. But it has another little pocket here. Cell phone, my phone doesn't fit. If you had a very small phone, it might fit. But one thing that might go in here, or might be a really good spot for in here, is a passport. And that just fits, just barely fits, you can see. So it's about the size of a passport, however it is wider. Okay, so it has adjustable straps, one little top handle, and if we put it on, you can see that that is the size. Okay, so those are the Lily and Drew bags that I have. They do have lots of other colors and patterns of bags. They just have really good quality bags. The material is, I mean, it feels like it's water repellent. I mean, the zippers, obviously, they're probably not going to be waterproof, but it feels just like it would hold up, and if they got dirty, they'd be really easy to clean. Lily and Drew, they sell, I believe, solely through Amazon. So that's great because I always just like purchasing through Amazon. It's so easy. So I will link all of these below, and I will also give you a link to their website, because if you sign up for like their mailing list, you can get, they will send you a code that you can use on Amazon to get, I believe it is 20% off of an order if you order one product from them, 30% off if you order 2 products from them. So that's why I bought like the 2 most recent bags that I purchased from them, because I could get both of them for 30% off. So that was a really great little incentive, I guess, to order their products. And I just really like their bags. Like I said, just super high quality. I think they're really nice and very cute, and they hold up very well. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and if you are interested in more luggage reviews, I will be doing some in the near future. So please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified of new videos. And I also have other packing and travel tip videos, so check those out. Thanks!